In today's video, stay tuned because we're about to dive into a revolutionary engine tech that's sending shockwaves through the industry. It's the brainchild of two genius minds, Dr. Alexander Shkolnik and Dr. Nikolai Shkolnik, who co-founded the game-changing outfit known as Liquid Pistons. And guess what? They've just hit the jackpot with a colossal $30 million in funding. This is the kind of innovation that could change the engine game forever. So what's the deal with liquid pistons, you ask? Well, they didn't just stumble upon this. Their journey started with a wild idea, the high-efficiency hybrid thermodynamic cycle. Fast forward a couple of decades of relentless research and development, and they've set up shop in a sprawling 12,000 square foot space in Bloomfield. That's the kind of dedication that turns dreams into reality. Liquid Piston's star player is the XTS-210 engine unit, a powerhouse designed to be a 25 horsepower, two-stroke, supercharged, liquid-cooled 210cc rotary engine. This ain't your grandpa's engine. It's a whole new beast that aims to redefine how we think about power solutions. But Liquid Piston isn't content with just innovation. They're on a mission to dominate the global stage of scalpable combustion engine development. They're not here to color inside the lines. They're here to redraw the whole damn canvas of performance, size, and efficiency. So, how does it work? The X-Mini is a pocket-sized dynamo that runs on liquid pistons, liquid piston rotary engine concept. It's compact, operating on 3 working chambers, each with its own spark plug. The magic happens inside those chambers, where the air-fuel mixture gets compressed and ignited, spinning the rotor and producing mechanical might. The goal? Maximum compression, expansion, efficiency, and power in a pint-sized package. But hold on, there's more. Meet the X4 diesel engine, a beefier sibling that's ready to take on diesel fuel combustion. With a 750cc displacement and a healthy 40 horsepower output, it retains the rotary architecture, working its magic with air intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust processes. It's a testament to the versatility of Liquid Piston's design wizardry. Now, let's debunk the name Liquid Piston Engine. Despite the moniker, there's no actual liquid piston involved. This engine flips the script on traditional internal combustion engines. In a standard combustion engine, a piston goes up and down, compressing the air-fuel mixture, igniting it with a spark plug, and using the resulting explosion to drive the piston back down. But here's the twist. Liquid Piston's engine ditches the physical piston for compressed air. It's like replacing a hammer with a feather for the same job. Picture this. Liquid Piston's engine is akin to the legendary power plants found in Mazda's RX-7 and RX-8. Those were iconic, but what we're talking about here is a whole new level of evolution. Forget apex seals on a spinning rotor. Liquid Piston flips the script by keeping those seals stationary on the housing, while the rotor carries the intake and exhaust ports. It's like a beautifully orchestrated dance inside 3 working chambers, each with its own spark plug. As the rotor whirls on an eccentric shaft, it orchestrates the intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust processes like a maestro conducting a symphony. The rotor exposes an intake port, creating a vacuum that sucks in the air-fuel mix. The next rotation covers the intake, initiating compression. Combustion ignites, and expanding gases push the rotor and shaft, with exhaust ports perfectly positioned to expel the spent gases. And here's the kicker. This ingenious design results in an engine that's smaller and lighter than its traditional counterparts, while delivering comparable power. Imagine an engine that fits in your palm but dishes out a whopping 4 horsepower. It's a game changer for spaces where size and weight matter, like cars, portable generators, and UAVs. Power to weight ratio, anyone? But that's not all, folks. With only 2 moving parts, the rotor and shaft, Liquid Piston's engine boasts minimal vibrations compared to the clunky moving parts of piston engines. The result? Silky smooth operation and potentially lower noise levels, perfect for scenarios where noise and vibrations are a no-no. Plus, it's simpler to assemble, translating to cost savings in production. But wait, there's more. By relocating those apex seals from the rotor to the stationary housing, Liquid Piston has cracked the code on reducing wear and leakage, boosting reliability, and lowering maintenance demands. In short, this engine means longer-lasting performance. And here's the exciting part. Liquid Piston has a $9 million contract with the US Army, a potential game-changer in military applications. Picture this. Engines that are nearly 80% smaller and lighter, yet packing a similar punch to the behemoths they're replacing. It's a logistical dream come true, especially in remote locations where fuel is scarce. Plus, with fewer moving parts, they're built to thrive in harsh conditions with minimal maintenance hassles. This could be a game changer for disaster relief sites where quick power is a lifeline. But Liquid Piston isn't just looking at military applications. They're also eyeing unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, to keep those birdies flying for longer. The HE-HC cycle might sound complicated, but it's Liquid Piston's secret sauce, bringing us closer to the holy grail of fuel energy conversion for hybrid systems. Oh, and did I mention they've already shoved a 4.5-pound X-engine into a go-kart running on hydrogen? Gasoline engines are inefficient, diesel engines are bulky and heavy, and electric power packs on the pounds. Liquid Piston's rotary engine is here to rewrite the rulebook. With $30 million in their coffers, there's no telling what groundbreaking progress they'll make next. So what are your thoughts on Liquid Piston's game-changing engine tech? Sound off in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this revelation, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. This is automotive innovation at its finest, and we're just getting started.